Houston, we have landed. Okay, all you HVAC attackers out there. Woo! Chilly. Cold out here. This house I'm doing here, my sidekick Nick will be here back shortly. This is 2 heat pumps we're putting in here. It's a GMC. Got a vacuum coming down pretty good. Vacuum pump here. Don't criticize me yet, we're not done. Still got some things to tie up here, but the high voltage, low voltage is tied in. High voltage, low voltage tied in. Simple box here, thoroughly labeled. Down, down, totally off. The air handlers are running and the heat strips are running now. Okay, this is just a quick view here. We're going to do more later, I hope. Here we go, see, copper lines. This black tube here, you know, it's going to get strapped up on there. So all this here looks good, tight and right. And a little tidying up, not quite done, but you can see just ventilating here. I only have one pump. Okay, so I'm gonna do a quick tour. There's my buddy Nick right there. All right, I'll be back.